Hi, to change default language on your iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to open Settings first. Now in Settings, click this General section, and then you want to go all the way down to find this option Language and Region. So if you have more than one language, then you can set your phone's interface to this language if you just hold the lines and move it up like that. Here you'll see this option that you're applying the setting and it will restart your phone and everything will be translated to Russian language. If you want to set different one, then click Add Language, find it in this list, or you can manually input it by tapping this search bar, click it, and here choose to use this preferred language. Then you will see this black screen and everything will be translated to the language which you selected. To go back to previous one, as I said before, hold lines and drag it to the first position and click right button. That's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.